Sagar purchased goods worth 1,000 from Ravi, for which the later drew a bill, okay, on the former, payable after 1 month. Sagar accepted it and returned it to Ravi. Ravi endorsed it to Kamal and Kamal to Amal. Amal discounted the bill with State Bank of India at 6%. Okay, it's not per annum. On maturity, the bill was dishonored. Noting charges 10 rupees. Show the entries in the books of all parties. Let's begin with the end of the drawer, Ravi, the creditor, the one who has supplied goods to the debtor. Okay. Now let's look into the journal entries. In the books of Ravi, who is Ravi? Ravi is the drawer. Journal entries in the books of Ravi. Okay. Now you have five columns. If you delete this ledger folio column, five columns: date, particulars, debit column, credit column, right? Now, if you add the ledger folio column, it will become six. Okay. So the second column being broader, it is for particulars. Okay. Now, when Sagar sold goods, okay, Ravi sold goods, what happens? Generally, the entry would be cash account debit to sales account. Cash account debit to sales account. But in this case, it is Sagar account debit to sales. Why? Sagar did not pay the cash. Sagar did not pay cash. He has just promised that he'll pay after 1 month. Therefore, Sagar becomes debtor to Ravi. Okay. Now, when the amount is not collected from your customer, you need to remember his name. So therefore, you have written his name. Sagar account debit to sales account. Had it been cash sale, cash to sales. So it's a credit sale. Who is the debtor to whom you have extended the credit sales? It is Sagar. Sagar account debit, the receiver of the goods, debit the receiver to sales. Okay, credit all sales accounts. Okay, credit all income accounts. Sales is an income to sales. How much? 1,000 rupees. 1,000 rupees debited, 1,000 rupees credited. Okay, respectively, both in debit column and credit column. Fine. Then the narration is goods sold to Sagar. On credit, please add. This is not mentioned here, but you have to mention on credit. Okay. Then on this, a bill is drawn by Ravi. Bill is drawn by Ravi. Okay. Ravi, for which the later drew a bill on the former, payable after 1 month. There's a bill drawn by Ravi. Okay. So when Ravi draws the bill, bills receivable. Whose bill is this? It is the bill drawn by the, it is bill drawn by the, okay, supplier of the goods. Bill drawn by the supplier of the goods. Bill receivable account, the supplier of the goods. For him, it is bill receivable. Bill receivable account. The sales have become bills receivable. Okay, on Sagar, bill is drawn. Okay, then in place of Sagar, you will write bill receivable. Bill receivable account debit 1,000 to Sagar. Okay, on whom you are drawing this bill? On Sagar, to Sagar, 1,000 rupees. Being bill drawn on Sagar and accepted by him for 1 month. For 1 month. Okay. Then what happened? Ravi endorsed that bill to Kamal. Okay. Endorsed that bill to Kamal. So Kamal account debit to bill receivable 1,000, 1,000 being bill endorsed to Kamal. Okay. Then what happened? Then what happened? Yeah. Then what happened? And Kamal to Amal. Okay. And Kamal to Amal. So, yeah, the bill that is endorsed to Kamal, dishonored by Sagar. Okay, dishonored by Sagar. Okay, dishonored by Sagar. We Yeah, look at this. We will not be writing the entry of Amal because there is no relationship between Amal and Ravi, the second endorsee, but there is a direct relationship. Ravi directly endorsed it to Kamal. Okay, endorsed it to Kamal. 1,000 rupees, 1,000 rupees. So Kamal account debit to bill receipt. Right? The same bill which is sent, which is given to Amal, it is dishonored. So when it is dishonored, what happens? The Kamal's account again becomes debit. I'm sorry, the debtor's account becomes debit. Sagar account debit, the debtor, Sagar account debit 1,000 plus the noting charges to Kamal. Look at this. When the bill is given, Kamal account to bill receivable. Okay, bill Kamal account to bill receivable, right? When the same is dishonored, Sagar to Kamal, 1,010 rupees, 1,010. Being bill endorsed to Kamal, dishonored by Sagar, including noting charge of 10 rupees. Okay, this is in the books of Ravi. This is in the books of Ravi. Next, let us look in the books of Sagar.